Hey, buddy.
Want to race?
Ready?
Do this!
Go, go, go! Wow, that is actually crazy. And I look like an idiot. Welcome back to Innovation RC, guys. After 11 months of waiting, finally, today is the day we are actually gonna be testing out something that me and a company has been working on. Keep in mind, they have been powering this channel for over 5 years. And I am truthfully humbled that I could even do something like this with such a big company like them. This has been a dream of mine to do. So without any further ado, guys, whoa. Guys, if you remember Colossus, the last time we actually had him out, we pulled 2 cars at the same time. I've never seen that done before, but he was able to do it. That was one test, testing out Colossus's flexing brutal strength. But now in this video, we're gonna see how far it can actually pull me. And oh boy, do I have a couple brutal tests to put these beautiful things through. What are they? I present to you the official Innovation RC Edition batteries from ChinaHobbyLine. So I've been working with ChinaHobbyLine for the last 5 years, and I am really happy with all of their products, to be honest. And honestly, I just wanted to see something with a lot of power and a whole lot of runtime. Beautiful 8-gauge wire. At the end, we could see an awesome QS8 connector that is also anti-spark. When I cycled these batteries, they actually accepted over 11,000 milliamps over its 10,000 milliamp capacity, which is pretty crazy. But if you need power, especially under a lot of load, just like what Colossus demands all the time, if you guys have a build that demands power, look no further. We're gonna be testing these things out, and I'm gonna be putting them through a big stress test. Actually, a few of you commented on a couple of my videos, why don't you have it pull me? Have it pull me, have it, well, let's do it. So Colossus is gonna pull me in the wagon. And if you guys recall J-Zip's garage, which was the blue Porsche Taycan that Colossus pulled last time, he got a new toy. This is gonna be the safety car that's actually gonna drive by me to make sure nothing goes wrong. And by the way, I really thank him for helping me out here. If you guys wanna check out any more of his awesome real car content, make sure you follow his Instagrams right there. Hey, I like your car. What do you do for a living? Oh, nice. I mean, I'm not him, but this is really a beautiful car, and I love the green. It's like an olive, I don't know, it's not olive, it's like a blue-green kind of thing. Inside Colossus, we have a 20 horsepower brushless motor from Castle Creations. It's a 2028 800 kV, unlike this one, which is the 1100, which has less torque than the 800. When we pulled both of the cars, we actually had the 1100 in, which is why it toasted up. Now we'll only expect more efficiency and a little bit more torque over the 1100 for this application. So this is really a better motor to go in for this build. So that's really all that we need right now. We only need a lot of torque. We don't need any RPM. And then soldered to it is some beautiful 6-gauge wire directly to the XLX2 ESC. And we are actually running sensors, so at low RPM, it's gonna just gradually turn over and have no cogging, no hesitation or whatever. Super buttery smooth action is what we want right here. Now looking at these beautiful fans from GameChanger, a little bit larger than your stock 50mm fan, but it's not as big as the big 50x50 ones. Now the really big ones that are about yay tall, they will actually create a lot more noise. And obviously if I'm gonna be driving this, hearing that for, I don't know, however long it's gonna take, might get annoying. So we're still gonna be able to blow a lot of air, just a little bit less noise. So these are better in the middle of the road fans that I really like, that's better than stock. Make sure you guys check out GameChanger for more of these awesome fans. Looking at the wiring as well, I soldered some 6-gauge wire to the ESC. Everything is plugged in series directly to the ESC. So we're running 4S, 4S, and 8S. Obviously, I'm not gonna want to dump all the power while I'm being pulled by it. So we're actually going to dumb the power down a lot just so that it's bearable. So I just hooked Colossus up, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be bringing with me while it pulls me. Obviously the remote. Colossus is on, by the way, so that's why you hear the beeps. And I also have a GPS here that I normally use on the speed cars. So not only will it record max speed, it will also show max distance. So it will track how far we go. Additionally, it will also record our active speed. So from time to time, I'll bring the GPS up here and we'll see how fast we go, this and that. It's gonna be pretty cool. And I also have a little portable solar charger one for the GoPro and the other for the GPS, make sure everything doesn't die. This is also an additional battery that goes to the fans inside the truck. I also have my toolkit over there with all my tools in it. Because I'm leaving my main tool bag inside my car. Little thing of water, and just in case something wants to catch on fire, we'll be prepared. Alrighty guys, so here we go. Colossus is gonna pull me as far as he can with the brand new Innovation RC Edition batteries. Now if you guys find that interesting, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more. We're gonna have a lot more crazy stuff like this coming out. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm actually just standing here real quick. We're testing out the GPS, and you guys can see that our speed's going up slightly, and if I stop, goes right back down to 0. The refresh rate's amazing on this little GPS. It's pretty good. That is so nice. And you can see our trip distance too. There's 0.0. If we get 1.0, that is actually 1 mile. But you could see that I'm walking, and it's just obviously adding to the trip. All right, so I'm gonna get into this as safe as possible. There's like a little metal bar platform in the middle where it's the most stable. So that's where I'm gonna wanna put most of my weight. And down. I'm too big to be doing this. Later. All right, so we have our little speedo, our speedometer right here, just like in a real car, except we're doing this. Now, if you guys could see that we started going, we're at 1, 2, and we're just gonna keep going up. 3, and hopefully we could get over a mile it could pull. That's my goal. I really hope we could do something like that. All right, we're gonna have to stop because there's a stop sign. You gotta look both ways, make sure we're not holding anyone up. But yeah, pretty good. Let's keep pulling. A blistering 4 miles an hour we got. New PB, guys. And we could also see John in the back. Pretty cool. Quarter mile. Awesome. She must be looking at me like I'm crazy. We're about to reach the end of the park, guys. 6/10 of a mile. Uh-oh, here we go, turning. All right, that was pretty exhilarating, honestly. All right, let's do a battery check now that we are a little bit more than 6/10 of a mile. We're also outside of the park. John is still behind me, everything's okay. Let's just see where everything's at. All right, so let's check Colossus, see how everything is. Motor isn't even that hot, guys. Very, very good so far. ESC isn't even choking. Let's check the batteries. Here's one of them. It's really hard to see, but we're at 4.08, 4.07, 4.08, and 4.91%. And here is this battery. If you guys could see, 4.09, 4.08, 4.09, 4.087. Very, very good so far. These batteries aren't even sweating it. And just like that, we're back on the road, and we're gonna start up super slow. Look at that sensor castle power putting in work. That is awesome, and it just wants to go. Go, go, go. Hey, hey buddy.
You want to race?
Ready?
Do this!
Go, go, go! Wow, that is actually crazy. And I look like an idiot. 8/10 of a mile about. We're doing pretty good. That was awesome. Bro, that thing sounds amazing. I'm gonna make a right at WAWA if I make it. All right, we're going up. Almost 9/10. 9/10 of a mile right now. WAWA is just up the street. 1.1 miles. We just passed the dirt area, which I really didn't think we were gonna pass. 1.2. Here's the USPS. You can drop off some mail if you need to. Oh my God, we're actually in traffic now. Oh my God, I'm in the bike lane though. 1.3 miles. Oh my God, I cannot believe we're about to do it, guys. And here we go, we're on blacktop asphalt again. We're finally at WAWA. 1.4 miles and we're at WAWA. This thing pulled me over a mile and change. That's crazy. Dude, I almost wiped out over there where there was like all the dirt and all the sand. That was just ridiculous. Cannot believe Colossus actually pulled us all the way to WAWA, which is like almost a mile and a half away. That is crazy. We're at 1.4 miles. Let's see what our top speed was. I think we probably went up. Yeah, we went 6 miles an hour. Coming down on the way to WAWA, there's like a little slope right when the asphalt turned darker. That was crazy. So I just popped the hood on Colossus. The motor's actually even cooler. Before I wasn't even running the fans. I just wanted to see what the temperature would be like without them, but now with the fans it's even cooler, which is awesome. And we are confirmed, you guys can see 3.97, 3.96, 3.97. Very, very accurate cells. We're not, guys, 72% left in these batteries. That is just absolutely ridiculous. That means from here to 1.4 miles, that was only 28% battery used. I honestly don't think I'm gonna keep going all the way, because any further we're actually gonna be on the open road, which is actually kind of dangerous. But I'll just do some math right here for you. The theoretical distance that Colossus could pull me. That is absolutely ridiculous. I can't even believe Colossus actually fits in the back of this thing. We are good to go. All right, to celebrate, we are gonna go into WAWA and get a milkshake. What flavor are you getting?
Toasted crunch.
Toasted crunch, you're gonna have to show me that. I might just wanna get like vanilla or something. Thanks, man. Yes, sir.
See you then.
Appreciate it. I can't even believe we made it to WAWA. I don't even have any shoes. So it's a what now?
It is a, let's see if they have, sometimes they don't have milkshake. Oh, here it is, toasted caramel crunch.
All right, let's go, man. All right, so we have our toasted strudel, I don't even know what they're called. What is it called? Toasted caramel crunch. And we're gonna take a joyride back in that beautiful green thing over there. Wow, this thing sounds amazing. You even hear the burps and gurgles in it.
Let's do this thing.
Do it. Wow. That is awesome. That is ridiculous. And here we go, guys. Home sweet home. There's the stingaling over there. Sweet. Alrighty guys, so we are back home safe, right where my car is at, and everything actually went rather better than I actually thought. Now, if you guys want to get your hands on some of these beautiful and awesome batteries, make sure you hit the link in the description below, and I'll also have it in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. We're gonna do some more crazy stuff like this. And as always, stay safe and have a good one.